Hello everyone, my name is Mitchell. Sorry it's been so long since I made a video, like a long video, but today I'm going to show you how to open a box, how I open a box. So, let's go. Let's go. This always happens. Let's go. Okay, I have a headphone box for a example. You can do this at home. So, the first thing you gotta do is go simple. Just easily crush it like okay, see? It's kinda opened. Now we gotta smash it. Now, let's go. Ugh. Looks like I didn't break them. One rule, never be careful. Never be like, oh, I think I broke it. Always be like, see, this is how much damage we did. That's a pretty good bit, and we damaged mostly this part, but not right here. So, and I don't joke. So it looks like it's pretty damaged that we can open it. So let's open this bad boy. Oh, there we go. Look at the destruction we just made. Oh, that is epic. Okay. So there we go. Very good. These headphones are really good. They're so good. You can do it for like anything. For like the computer, for school, if you're if you're still in elementary. This is made by, I think it's this, but don't get me wrong. If it is, shout out to them because they make really good headphones. This is really soft, I would say. I can hear you. It's not like the ones that squish your ears and you can't hear. And, okay, I think I have a headache. Yeah, 3 minutes. Oh gosh. Yeah, I have a headache. But it's been really fun. I may do this for like my stress because I just go like oh, sorry, cat. Sorry. Go like ow. Go like Now that is how to open a box. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh my gosh! This is my new ending. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, hold on. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Headache, headache. Oh, the pain of the headache. Ah!